everyone. In a previous lecture we have seen that how you can find the third side of a triangle which is not right triangle by using the law of cosine. The another important use of law of cosine is you can find the angles of the triangle when you are given with only the sides, that are the three sides of a triangle. You can easily find the three angles of the triangle. How? Let's see. First of all, I will tell you the angle version of the law of cosine, or you can easily find the angle version of the law of cosine by the formulas that I have told you last in the previous lecture. So today we will first I will tell you the angle version, and then we will solve this triangle in order to find the three angles. As you can see that here we have three sides given, and we have three angles that are unknown. So the angle version of the law of cosines is, if I write the law of cosine first as it is so that you can easily understand how I convert it into the angle version. Law of cosine, I'll tell you the one angle version of one of the law of cosine, and the rest of the rest you can easily do by yourself. So law of cosine is c square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos of c. Now it is clear here that we have all the three sides, and what is unknown here, the unknown here is the angle C in this formula of the law of cosine. This is unknown. So in order to get the unknown, we have to isolate it from all the known values. So how we can do this? We can do this by converting this formula in a form like by just moving the values from the right hand side to the left hand side. So what we will get is c square minus a square minus b square is equals to minus 2ab cos of c, cos of angle C. What I have done is I just moved the a square and b square on the other side of the equality. Then we have to move this 2ab in here in the division of the left hand side. So what we will get is c square minus a square minus b square divided by minus 2ab is equals to cos of angle C. Don't get confused with the negative sign. We can easily cancel it by taking the negative sign in common in the numerator, and we can cancel it with the denominator. So if I take the minus sign in the numerator as common, what I will get is a square plus b square minus c square divided by minus 2ab. I am just taking the minus sign as common, then cos of C, cos of angle C, so it will be cancelled out, and what we will get is the angle version of the law of cosine. So it will be cos of C is equals to a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2ab. So this is the angle version of the given law of cosine. I have told you there are three different formulas for the law of cosine. It depends what you will use. So this was the one formula, and the rest of the other you can easily derive from the formulas that I have already told you. So I'll write here just the three formulas as the angle version of the law of cosine, that is cos of B, that is cos of angle B is equals to a square plus c square minus b square divided by 2ac. This is the second formula, and the third one is cos of A is equals to b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc. So this is the third formula. So if I write here, this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. Now using these three formulas, you can easily solve, or you can find the three angles of the given triangle. So first of all, we will find this angle A. So for finding the angle A, we will use the formula, that is this one. So I'll write here cos of A is equals to b square. Now what is b? B is 5. So 5 square is 25 plus c square. What is c? C is 8. 8 square is 64 minus a square. A is 9. So 9 square is 81 divided by 2bc. 2 multiplied by b. B is 5. So 2 into 5 is 10. And c is 8. So 10 into 8 is 80. It will be like 80. And we will have, by solving this, we will get 0.1. So cos of A is equals to 0.1. So what we have to do is we have to take the cos inverse of 0.1 to get the angle A. So angle A is equals to cos inverse of 0.1. So use the calculator and what we will get is 84.26. This is the cos inverse of 0.1. So this is the angle A that we have found by using the law of cosine. Now we will find the second angle, that is angle C. You can also find the angle B. It depends on you, as we have the formula for the all. So I'll write cos of C is equals to, the formula is a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2ab. This formula will be used. So a square is 9 square, that is 81, plus b square is 5 square, that is 25, minus c square is 8 square, is minus 64, divided by 2ab. 2 into a is 9, b is 5, so 10 9 90. It will be 90 in the division. So what we will get is, it will be equals to 0.467. So if we take the inverse of cos, that is C is equals to cos inverse of 0.467, what we will get is 62.2 degrees angle. So the angle C is 62.2 degree. Now for finding the third angle, we will use the rule of the triangle, that if we sum up all the angles, we will get it is equals to 180 degree. So we will sum up A and C and subtract it from 180. So we will get the third angle, that is angle B. So let's find the angle B. So B, or I'll just write B is equals to 180 minus 84.26, that is the angle A, minus 62.2 degree, that is the angle C. So what we will get is B is equals to, that is the angle B is equals to 33.54. So these are the three angles that we have found by using the law of cosines. So angle A is, if I write here, angle A is, this is the angle A. So it will be 84.26. Angle B is this will be equals to 33.54, and this is the angle C, and it will be equals to 62.2 degree. So this is how you can easily use the law of cosine, or the angle versions of law of cosine, in order to find the three angles of a triangle if you are given with only the values of the length of the three sides of the triangle. So that's all from today's lecture. Thank you.